Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a house to an LLC with Rocket Lawyer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer a house to an LLC using Rocket Lawyer, start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, locate the business section on the home page. Select Create an LLC to begin the process of forming your limited liability company. Input the required information regarding your LLC, such as its name and address. After filling out the necessary details, proceed to generate your LLC. Review the documents provided by Rocket Lawyer to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, complete the payment for the document preparation service. After your LLC is officially formed, return to the home page. Now, search for the term Property Transfer Form in the Document section. Download the property transfer form and review its requirements. Fill out the form with the necessary details about your property and the LLC. Ensure all the information is accurate, including the legal description of the property. Next, prepare to sign the property transfer form. Depending on your state, you may need to have the document notarized. Once signed, proceed to file the form with your local county clerk's office. Pay any required recording fees to complete the transfer process. After filing, ensure you keep a copy of the recorded document for your records. Verify the transfer by checking public property records. Congratulations! You have successfully transferred your house to your LLC using Rocket Lawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.